Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, today I thought we would do a little work on the Audiotronics. This is a 304A with bidirectional sound. What does that mean? It just means that there's a speaker on the front and then an open grill for passive sound, travel through the back. Does not mean stereo, We've reviewed this obviously previously, featured on a couple of shows. It's taken a little bit of work, but it's been a great unit to work on and a really good price picked it up at. So we're going to listen to this 45. I'm going to replace the Stylus and show you how easy that is with these types of players. It shares a common Stylus and cartridge mechanism with the Fisher-Price and a lot of those like children's players. So I'm going to go ahead and cue it up. This knob still is busted. I need to fix that. Turn it on. It's also a tone control. And let's do a little Frank Sinatra here. It's hard to do this with my left hand backwards, but so. Doesn't sound too bad, actually. I don't think the Stylus is that bad on here, but it's a 1mm Stylus. So it's a little bit too big for a micro groove. Little contact issue there, a little short, oops. A little short there, a little short. Okay, I got work to do on this. But I want to show you the process for replacing that cartridge. So I'm going to lower you down a little bit here, and I'm going to zoom you in. Bear with me here. This isn't going to be my Emmy award-winning project, but just so you know what it looks like, here is a replacement cartridge that can still be had. New old stock. There we go. So it's like this plastic device here. And these can accommodate two-sided styli like is in there right now. However, this is a single-sided one. So replacing it is very simple. You just raise it up like this. This is a flip, so you can see it rotates around like that. So you can do 78 or, the micro groove. But to remove it, you just simply pull it out. You can't get much easier than that. So we're going to carefully reverse that. The little flip is still going to be in place, but we've just now replaced the Stylus. It's only one-sided, so we got to keep it on this side, but let's go ahead and give it a listen now with the replacement Stylus. Easiest Stylus replacement you'll ever see. I think it sounds better. I think it sounds sharper. Oops. Let's go ahead and flip the record over. It's hard doing this all with my left hand. I'm very much right-handed, so changing everything to the left is harder. My apologies, but I think it sounds better. I think it definitely made an improvement. Especially helps if you put the Stylus on the record. Oh yeah. Fits it like a glove. A properly sized Stylus is a thing of righteousness. It is very important, and as you can tell, bigger is not always better because the smaller Stylus fits a smaller groove better, much more rich tone, less noise, and super easy to replace. Again, here's what they look like. And let me see if I can get focus on this up close. I'm sorry. Yeah, there you go. This one's double-sided, 78 on one side and micro groove on the other. But yeah, thought you guys might think that was interesting. And even though it still has the flip lever on there, the cartridge itself slides right out and the new one goes right back in. Or the new one replaces it. It's easy. So that's an improvement. It looks like I still need to take some more deoxit to some of these knobs and whatnot. Still can sound good, but you gotta find that sweet spot as you guys witnessed. So anyway, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day. Happy record hunting. We will see you tomorrow.